Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by x minus 1 to the power of 2 over 3 on numerator and denominator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 3. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to 1 over 3 multiplied by x minus 1 to the power of number 1 minus 1 over 3. And this one we have negative number 2 over 3. So because we don't have 1 over 3, so I will put number 3 go to the left, and we can put like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 2 that's it from here. So I will put number 2 gone here. So 2 minus 1 we have number 1. So u equals to number 1. When s equal to 28, we put number 28 gone here, and we have u equals to number 3. So number 2 we change by number 1, 28 we change by number 3. So this one we need to change by u. So this one in here we have u square. Because we have number 2, that's why that is the reason why we have u to the power of 2. This one we change by u to the power of 4. Dx over this one we change by number 3 du. Now I will put number 3 gone here. Next, we need to add about 3u square. That means we need to minus about 3u square. Then we need to put about positive 9. Later that we need to minus about number 9. So we can do about factorization by u square. This one by negative. Oh sorry, this one we need to put like this. Sorry about that. So we can do about factorization by negative number 3. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we have like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. The next one we have 3u. The next one that is about 9 over the square root of number 3. Octane of u over the square root of number 3. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 3. And now we have the final answer. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.